You're on.
Hello, my name is William, and today we're going to do something very special today. We're going to tour Flood of 2011. As you can see, there's the sandbag barricade stopping the water from getting to the streets. And if you would just follow me on the bridge, you can see how much the water level has increased. As you can see, the current is quite strong, and it's enough to knock a branch from a tree. The local wildlife are enjoying it. They sure are. What we have here is the true creek, but I can take you to some of the addingments of this catastrophe. As you can see, the trees, these are submerged. Everything is past submerged. As you can see, we've got a lovely geese selection. I don't know if they're wild or not. So this is where all the snow went.
Action.
You know, on one hand, trees, signs, the park being flooded, and half the city being flooded as well. But on the other hand, and the wildlife is flared and is very happy now that the water level is up. We all know